Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I stated in my video earlier today about this gentleman wanted to run this twice. He wanted to run the outline. He's got a fiber laser, and I don't know how that's going to work, but I thought I'd show you, instead of removing all the black one at a time, that would take you forever. You can use the find and replace and go to find object, edit query, uniform fill, and double click on the text itself and get this. We don't really know what color it is, even though I do. We're gonna go and we're gonna pick that black, which is RGB black, press OK, and then find all. It's gonna find all the black. Now to move it, you gotta X out of here and then move that over. Sometimes you might have to double click on it. Now, with that said, we still have this circle that we need to, you can do two things. Let's do this. Let's nudge this out of the way. Don't ever just move anything. Nudge it so we can always get it back. But we're gonna group this together, Control G and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And we're gonna go ahead and give it that circle outline. And you can just do that with your ellipse tool, press P, and you can see it's a little too little. Grab it with the holding down the shift key, it'll grow from the center. And you kind of want it on that edge. Now here is, you can move this, but then I would never move it again. I would nudge it. Let's say that's where you're gonna print the object on your laser. So we can do two things. We're gonna Control G and make a duplicate, and we're gonna Control D to make a duplicate. And then we're gonna left click, right click, and we're gonna, this is 500 points, or 0.5 point. I don't know how that's gonna look different when he engraves it, but evidently it does. And we've got all our detail back. So what you can do here is you can left click, no outline, and then you just have the fill. So because we nudged this, we can nudge it back. So this is off his laser page, which is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, whatever size that is. So you could run this on your laser and then nudge it out of the way without moving your material and nudge this back. This is exactly where the other one was. And then you could run just these outlines. I hope that's what he was talking about. If not, he's gonna let me know and we'll make some adjustments. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.